We had finished eclipses in our previous lecture, isn't it? What are eclipses? Eclipses are the shadows of the earth or the moon that is cast when sun, earth and moon all comes in straight line. Very good. Now today what we are going to discuss, we had completed moon yesterday. Today I am going to discuss the another part of this chapter, that is artificial satellite. What is a satellite? Satellite क्या होता है? Object that revolves around the planet. Object that revolve around the planet. That is a satellite, na? है ना? Here, what is the planet? On which planet we all are living? We all are living on Earth. And what are then artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are those that are made by us, that are made by humans. So what should be the definition of artificial satellites? Human-made objects. Okay? Human-made objects that revolve around the planet, it is called as artificial satellite. Okay? So these are the artificial satellites. Humans or our scientists, we had made so many artificial satellites. Do you know the name of first artificial satellite? First artificial satellite was Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1. It is made by USSR. Okay, ji? It is made by USSR and sent to the space in 1947. After that, so many countries have made their satellites. Does India is also there in the race? Yes, India has also made several satellites. India made its first satellite in 1975. It is a successful operation. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. So many students have written here Aryabhat. That's correct. Aryabhat was the first Indian artificial satellite that was sent to space on 19 April 1975. Is it clear? Now children, are these artificial satellites have any advantage? Yes. Actually, if I'm talking to you on this visual media, this is also possible only because of artificial satellites. What are the uses, or you can say applications or advantages? Beta, any word can come, right? The uses of the artificial satellite, right? The applications, right? The advantages. Meaning is same. कहाँ कहाँ हम इन आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स को यूज करते हैं? वेयर आर वी यूजिंग दैम? Number one is weather forecasting. If you have to plan for a function or you have to go out for an outing, for a tour, for anything, you just check the weather, na? We check them weather on the mobiles or internet, what kind of weather that place have, है ना? And you plan accordingly. If it is having rainy weather, you carry umbrellas. If it is having cold weather, you carry your jackets. We do like this, na? So from where does this information we get? We get this information only because of these artificial satellites. These satellites tell us the speed of the wind. Okay, the clouds, how many clouds are there? Then after, predictions will be settled. After weather forecasting, it is also help in astronomy. Astronomy means to know about different stars, about different planets, about the space. And such satellites that perform this function, we call it as astronomical satellites. After astronomical, communication satellites are also there. What do you mean by communication? What we are doing at present. I am in contact with you now. I am in contact with you. Why I am in contact with you? Because of these communication satellites. We are communicating with each other although we are so far. You know, you all are sitting at your homes and I am in the school or at my home. How we are interacting? We were interacting through these communication satellites. Afterwards, there are also remote sensing satellites. What is the meaning of remote sensing? These remote sensing satellites to know about the different minerals, about where water is present under the earth. Even under the earth, if we want to research, we can go with the help of these satellites. Okay. Afterwards, there are military satellites. How it helps in military satellites? It sends a picture of a particular place. And if on that place there may be terrorists, that may be known to the military. है ना? There may be terrorists are there or not. Is there any planning? Even if we can go beyond the earth, then it means we can come to know, is there any metal object is there? Means bombs will be there or not. We can also detect it. Okay, so it helps in military satellites. Even there are the satellites which we are using. If you are going out for somewhere, then you will start the location on your mobile now. Even many of you must have ordered Zomato or Swiggy. And we have ordered food from Zomato and Swiggy. I can see these faces, a big smile on everybody's face. Yes, when we order our food, then they will get the location of our house, exact location, exact path from which they move. How will they get our location? How will they come to know that where are we sitting? Because of satellites. And these satellites, even GPS systems is run on our mobiles. And such satellites are called as navigation satellites. Even ships can be guided through these satellites. Okay, this is a navigation satellite. I hope it goes beyond the limit. And lastly, if it helps in so many things, then obviously it helps in scientific research also. And different kinds of researches can also be done with the help of satellites. Okay, these are the few common applications or uses of satellites. Bete, I have just written on the introduction here, but you can write 1 or 2 lines on each and every. It is not necessary कि weather forecasting के बारे में जो book में दिया आपने वही लिखना. You can simply write, we can come to know about the weathers because of the satellites. It is quite helpful to know the weather. Use your own words, do not stick to the book. Okay? Even you can also write here for GPS system. Okay? Although it is covered in navigation, but you can write here for GPS system, and there are so many uses which you can think of yourself. Yes, no? So children, you can do this. Now, is the uses clear to all of you? Now there is last small topic is there, that is space travel. Afterwards, we will discuss the question answers. So what is space travel, children? Space travel means to discuss about those persons that goes to the space. Firstly, just tell me the simplest question. What do we call those persons who travel to the space? They are called as? Yes, Ekansh. Very good.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Anji, come on. They are called as?
Ma'am, Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Neil Armstrong.
Wait. That's correct. But Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla is their names. I can see so many answers are here. What collectively they are called as?
Ma'am, space travel.
Those who go to the space, what can we call them? I have read the answers in the chat box. All are correct.
मैम जो स्पेस में जाते हैं उन्हें स्पेस ट्रेवल कहते हैं.
What is their name or what we call their job is? Astronauts. Ekansh got confused. So many of the children have written here astronauts, and I have read all the messages. Yes, we call those persons that travel in the space, we call them as astronauts. Bete, astronauts while traveling to the space, they wear special space suits. Okay? Why do they wear special space suits? Now kindly please lower your hand first, all of you. Why these people wear special space suits? They wear special space suits. Yes, Adnan.
Ma'am, because there is no atmosphere in space and the suit create a little atmosphere.
Yes.
Around their body.
There is no atmosphere over there. Okay? And forget the oxygen, that's correct, bache. To get the oxygen to breathe, to get the air to breathe, they wear these space suits. Beta, even do you know that the air or the atmosphere, it applies so much pressure on our body. वो हमारी बॉडी पे बहुत ज़्यादा so much of pressure is applied on our body, and if we go to this space, no air pressure is there. We can't feel that pressure. You just go deep inside the water, you will feel na ki something is over your head, over your body. That is the pressure of the water. Okay, but we can't feel the pressure of air. Why? Because our body releases same pressure. Our bodies releases same pressure to maintain that air pressure. And if we go to the space, our body keeps on releasing the pressure, but there is no air pressure. And if it is not balanced, then our body will burst. So to maintain that air pressure, to get the oxygen, they wear special spacesuits. And what kind of persons go to the space? Earlier it is said that the person which is healthy and physically fit, they can only go to the space. Still it is preferred, but now technicians and computer experts can also go to the space. But for that, they should be physically fit, because there are so many changes that takes place in your body when you go to the space. Okay, so your body should be adjusted to all these. Bete, that's all for this chapter. Including this, there is a small topic, India's mission to the Mars. Yes, India's mission to the Mars. Okay, what is the name of that spacecraft that goes to the Mars? It is called as Mangalyaan. Got it, bete. I have not unmuted also, do not press this. Yes, Mangalyaan. Why it is called as Mangalyaan? Because in Hindi, Mars is called as Mangal. Okay, in Hindi, Mars is called as Mangal, and Yaan means a rocket. That is called as Mangalyaan. Okay, ji. So it is sent to the space on 5 November 2030. And similarly, the first mission that is sent to the moon, it is on 2008. Okay, it is in 2008, and this mission was Chandrayaan 1. We had already discussed, that completes our chapter. Now I will ask you your queries for once, and afterwards you all will open your back exercises. Let us discuss them and complete your notebooks. Okay? Those who are having problem, they can only raise a hand. Kaushalinder, are you having problem? Kaushalinder, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the difference between astronomical satellites and scientific satellites?
But astronomical satellites, they tell us about the astronomy. Astronomy means space science. And scientific research includes so many things. So many things. Research may be done at even minor level. Even on your body, research is going on. Okay? And even on the earth. what kind of climate is there and how it is changes, what will happen if ice will melt. Okay, this kind of research is going on the earth. So astronomy is restricted to the space science. Okay, Ekansh, Kaushalinder, lower your hand please.
Ma'am, you have not discussed one topic.
I had discussed all the topics. Which one you say left?
Ma'am, page 118, India to moon.
Have you read that? I earlier also said that India's first mission to moon was Chandrayaan-1. Even yesterday I had already discussed and today I had already discussed. And nothing is there over there. Check it, read it and then let
Okay,
me.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children. Anything else? Ekansh, please lower your hand. So I'm going to start up the back exercises. All of you get ready with your books, with your pencils and with your beautiful faces on your books. Okay, I'm going to ask questions from you and that should be done quickly. Okay, firstly, why do tides occur? Yes. Sia, where is she gone? She's left somewhere. Okay, Pranav Arora. Pranav Arora, unmute yourself. Yes. Pranav, I can't see him. Okay, ji. Saksha, now it's so better. Yes, hurry up. Somin, give the answer first. Why do tides occur? Somil, why do tides occur?
Tides occur due to gravity on moon.
Of the moon. Very good. Next, Sia. Why does life not exist on moon? Sia, why does life not exist on the moon? Hurry up, bache.
Life is not there on the moon because there is no atmosphere.
Bus, you will get only 1 mark for this or half marks for this because there is no atmosphere. I have told you 4 points,
No.
bache. No air, no water, no ozone layer,
No.
and lastly, no atmosphere due to which it becomes too hot during the day and too cold at night. Okay, next,
Okay, ma'am.
Arav Bharadwaj, how are eclipses formed? How are eclipses formed? Be quick, please.
Eclipses are formed when an object that blocks the light and does not reflect it at all is called
Tell the page number to everyone.
116.
Yes, it is given at page number 116, paragraph of eclipses. Okay, you can search it from there. Very good, bache. Ramanpreet. Ramanpreet.
Good morning.
हाँ जी बेटा. Ramanpreet, who is the first Indian?
मैम मैंने ये पूछी मैम मैंने ये
There is lot of disturbance from your side, Ramanpreet. Okay.
जो चुप करो
Yeah. Utkarsh, bete, who was the first Indian woman to go in space?
मैम कल्पना चावला
Very good. Give the other answer also. Name the first Indian artificial satellite.
मैम आर्यभट्टा
Aryabhatta. Very good. Okay. Adnan. Next, name 2 types of eclipses.
मैम लूनर eclipse सोलर eclipse
Very good. Lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Harshika. Hanji beta. Give the MCQs at page number 121. The gravity of the moon is dash of the earth.
मैम 1/6
Every day high tides occur. Second one. Harshika, tell all the MCQs.
Yes.
It is twice. Okay. Every day high tides occur twice.
Okay.
2 high tides daily, 2 low tides daily. Then third one, when moon is not visible to us, it is called
New moon.
new moon. Okay, very good, bacha.
Thanks, ma'am.
Kaushalinder? Yes, circle the odd one outs. Moon, Sputnik 1, Inset 1B.
Moon.
Okay, because it is a natural satellite. Waxing, eclipse, waning.
Eclipse.
Eclipse, very good. Lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, gibbous moon.
Gibbous moon.
Very good, because it is a phase of the moon. Amanpreet, switch on your video. Amanpreet Singh, and tell me the blanks. Amanpreet Singh, I have seen your video. Switch it on. Yes.
मैम मेरी बहन उठ गई है,
Okay.
सोई हुई थी,
Okay, जी.
इसलिए
Can
नहीं
you
लगा
tell the
सकती।
blanks?
नो मैम, मैंने उसको पकड़ा हुआ है अभी।
It's okay. Be attentive while you are sitting in a class. Ridhe, better tell the blanks. When entire moon is
Yes, ma'am.
invisible, we call it as dash eclipse. When the moon
Ma'am,
is
lunar.
lunar eclipse. Okay, the natural satellite of Earth is correct.
Natural satellite of the Earth. Moon.
Moon, very good. Next, dash helps in communication, weather forecasting, navigation.
Artificial satellite.
Artificial satellites, very good. Rachit, tell the next. Dash happens when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. When the
solar eclipse.
solar eclipse, very good. The dash has no atmosphere. Hanji,
मैम मेरा एक डाउट है।
I will take that out later on. Firstly, tell me the dash has no atmosphere.
मैम मून।
Moon, very good. Tell me the MCQs. Better let us first finish it. Afterwards, I'll take that out. The dash has no MCQs. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, we have
lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse. Next, moon reflects the light of the
sun.
Very good. Yes. Agam, bete very short answer questions. What is the increasing size of the lighted part of the moon called as? Increasing size of the lighted part of the moon called as? Agampreet?
lunar eclipse.
No, it is called as waxing phases of the moon. Somebody have typed here Ambra, that is wrong. That happens in eclipses. When the phases increase, means yes, it is waxing phases of the moon. Okay, what we call it as waxing phases of the moon when the size of the lighted part of the moon increases. Okay, Saksham Singh, unmute yourself. Saksham Singh. Yes, Bache. Next, what is the saucer-shaped holes on the surface of the moon called as? Yes, Bache. Saucer-shaped. That's correct. Who have typed here? Adnan, okay. Saucer-shaped holes. We call it as? No. Okay. So many of the students. Yes, Bhumika.
मेरे डाउट था।
Doubt I'm taking. What are the saucer-shaped holes called as? Okay, Imang, tell the answer, please.
मैम craters.
Very good, craters. Now tell the other answer also. Why is the life possible on Earth? Why is the life possible on the Earth? Short answer question. On your notebook, you have to start it from here. Why is life possible on Earth? Imam, tell it the answer, bache.
Ma'am, because it has air, it has water, it has ozone layer, it has atmosphere.
It has atmosphere that do not keep it too cold. Okay? Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Raymond. Bete, what are artificial satellites? Name one Indian artificial satellite.
Artificial satellite is a human-made object that has been purposely placed into the orbit around the Earth or other planets to perform specific functions.
Example?
The artificial satellite of India is named as Aryabhatta, which was launched
That's
on
okay. Bete, you
19th
can write
April
only
1970.
Aryabhatta or IRS or Chandrayaan or okay. No, please don't write here Chandrayaan or Mangalyaan. Okay, do not write here. You can write here Aryabhatta. Okay. Yes. Next. Okay, Kaushlinder. Beta, give the next answer. How are tides useful to us?
Tides are useful to us in many ways. When there is high tide, there is enough water to let the ships come easily to the port. The boat comes at the port if there is high tide.
It also helps in generating electricity. Kaushlinder, tell the page number to everyone.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Page number. It is given at, okay, it is given at page number 118, beta. Second paragraph, last lines. Okay, I hope you all can do it from there. Afterwards, next, describe the surface of the moon. Yes, Somin? Yes? Somin? Fifth B, hurry up. Surface of the moon.
The surface of the moon is rough, uneven, and covered with dark gray dust. It is just a rocky desert up of mountains and craters.
Okay. Yes, beta, you can also add. Firstly, tell the page number, beta, to all. Somil. Yes, bache, it is given at 114. You can write the moon is a rocky desert, surface is rough and uneven, covered with dark gray dust. It is made up of mountains and craters. Okay? And due to which its surface appears bright and dark patches. Okay? Due to which the surface of the moon appears to be consist of bright and dark patches. Okay, better if it is given, then write it completely. Do not skip or do not avoid writing, otherwise your marks will also be deducted. Okay, there are 3-4 lines given here and you have to write it completely. Next, Ridhe, Preet, please. What is the solar eclipse?
Yes, ma'am.
What is solar eclipse? Hurry up.
Ma'am, when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, the moon casts its shadow on the earth. The people in the certain parts of the earth cannot see the sun at all or see it only particularly for some time. This is called solar eclipse.
Correct.
Ma'am, page number 117.
Okay, bete. So you can also get the answer from there, and diagram we had already done in the class. Okay, bache. Utkarsh, tell the other answer. Moon appears to be beautiful. Does life exist on the moon? Does life exist?
Ma'am, no.
No. Right?
Ma'am, no.
Do you think we should always be attracted towards the beautiful things?
Ma'am, no.
No. Why?
Ma'am, because, ma'am,
if a thing is beautiful, but it's ma'am,
Because it is not necessary that all the beautiful things are useful. Okay? It is not necessary that all the beautiful things are useful. Agam, what would happen if there is no moon?
If there is no moon, ma'am, 1 minute.
It is not given in the book.
Ma'am,
Think yes.
if there is no moon,
Tides may fall, eclipses may not occur, right? Gravity of the moon should not be there. Earth may have changed its position. You can write any 2 or 3 points. Okay, Ji? Adnan, why there
Yes,
is no
ma'am.
rain on the moon? Why there is
Because the moon do not have the atmosphere.
because the moon do not have the atmosphere. Children, I hope all the things are clear to you.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Okay. On your fair notebook, you have to write short answer questions and long answer questions. Okay? You can skip the
Okay, ma'am.
one word answers. But it doesn't mean that it will not come in the exam. Everything will come in the exam. Okay, Ji?
Ma'am,